guys, welcome back to Post/Kids Club. Today we are going to be redoing my old iPad. So I'm deleting all the texts. I will see you guys after I'm done with that. Sorry for the background music, but I am done with the texts. Now I'm just gonna delete all my photos because yeah, this is 2019. 2018 style, so yeah, where's photos? Can't find, okay, let's just search it up. Photos, yes. Okay. I'm gonna see if this deletes all your photos. I really hope it doesn't.
If it's on that iPad, it's fine.
How do you delete all photos?
Anything I really want to keep, I would have already probably saved or put on.
What is this? Guys, I'm gonna watch this real quick. What is this? Picture of Kyra, but let's see it. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen her in so long. Come on. Okay, whatever. You want me? Don't you, baby? Oh. How do you delete? Guys, I'm trying to figure this out. So, how do you delete all photos? The flippin' photos just froze on me. But we're gonna download this app. Oh, it's not gonna work. Why did I decide to do? Why did I decide to do this? So I have really bad connection, but I'm gonna figure this out somehow. But I'm not gonna do it right now. So yeah. I can't. There's something with settings that I have to like reset my whole entire thing. But it's like I'm gonna try to like get the stuff back. Like not even my internet. Like I literally. So I'm gonna try to forget this network because I don't need this. How the heck do you get another internet? Like, how do you?
Well, the internet's fine because my internet's working okay.
Well, it's my old iPad, and I
think your old iPad's struggling.
Like, I gotta get new internet. I'll be back with that. So let me just. Okay, so sorry about that, but I'm back on my old iPad, and I got some photos, so we are going to be putting them on my wallpaper. Yay! How do I do this again? Yeah, right. Okay. Wallpaper. Choose a new wallpaper. I got 2 aesthetic photos. Don't mind me. This one is not my favorite one, but I picked it, so. So, but I'm gonna set this as my lock screen paper, so I don't have to see it every time. And then I got this really pretty, you guys can't see it, but I got a pretty picture of the sea. So, what I'm gonna do is edit my home screen. I'm gonna keep the Subway app. Oh my gosh. So, I will be right back with you. Just signing into my Instagram account. Oh my Okay, it's just not loading. Who is this? Oh, got logged out. Let me. Okay. Now we're ready to play some Tokaboka. Kind of fixed up the iPad. I got into Instagram. Do you guys remember the game called Words? We used to always play that in like 2017. We loved playing that game. Boka Boka. I love that sound and I don't know why. But and now we're gonna be trying the Roblox. I just want to see everything, like. So it kind of just resetted me because I accidentally deleted the app, and I have to reinstall it. So it's taking me to the apartment right now. I absolutely hate my characters. So let's make a character and then I'm gonna play some Roblox. Cause I already know what my Roblox is because I signed in to my Roblox account like a few months ago. So I already know what the Roblox is. It's like Puppy Phoenix because I wanted to log into a random weird account. But you know, we're gonna use this girl. Whoa, okay. Hey, Mom, can you answer that call?
I don't know. Something. She is going through her old iPad and she has been going.
Okay.
She's been doing this very long, detailed process of redoing and undoing and everything.
Okay, so first.
I guess I had a bunch of old pictures on there for whatever reason.
Let's do.
Oh, and I was on the porch because I was outside looking at the moon, and I kept hearing her say, and I came out, like, what is this? Who is this? With this poofy hair and this guy with this mustache. Why is this?
So off camera, I was talking about that, and it was my grandma. So it was really funny. I'm kind of making this character me. This.
Oh yeah, she doesn't know what they look like then, you know.
This.
Oh, she was going crazy with
This. It's not like, it's kind of like this hair color. This, like.
She was like, ugh. And then she didn't want to see it anymore. It kept popping up. And
I don't know how to.
she didn't like it. That was funny.
I'm just trying to get my hair color this natural
Oh
blue
my god,
color.
that made me laugh so much.
Anyways.
Well, you might have a virus.
I'm gonna put this cute little dress on her.
Oh, so you
I
don't
love
think
wearing
it's
dresses. Please don't touch me for that.
Oh.
P.S. I edited this video.
Mmm.
Yes, I did. So
Poor thing, because if you can't
I'm
throw up,
running
it's
out
gonna
of
come out
edit.
somewhere.
I know it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna kind of edit.
That's kind of scary. You can't throw up though, because that's not good. Because there may be something that you need to throw up.
Don't mind that. We're gonna take that out of there. Well, that was pretty much all for today, guys. I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for going on this big journey with me. Make sure to go subscribe. Go subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment down below, and I will be giving shout-outs at the end of my next video. Love you guys. Stay cool. Bye. Peace out.